All right. Ready to dive into elemental witchcraft.
Sounds fascinating.
I know you've seen that excerpt from Elemental and Witchcraft, right?
Yeah, I did.
So we can skip the real basics,
Okay.
but we're going to go deeper, not just like what each element represents,
Yeah.
but why and how to actually use those energies.
Hey, I like that. Getting practical.
Right. So Earth, it's stability, abundance, physical world.
Mm-hmm.
But why all that? What's the energetic side?
Well, think about Earth itself.
Yeah.
It's like solid, reliable, always there.
Under our feet,
Exactly. Everything grows from it.
the foundation.
Right. So that stability, it becomes energy too. Grounding, security, all that.
Makes sense. Explains why crystal, stones,
Soil, all that.
it all literally comes from the earth.
And carries that same energy.
Yeah.
And it's powerful stuff for us, I mean.
Oh, yeah.
Like when you're scattered, anxious, disconnected, Earth energy brings you back. Present, peaceful, that inner calm.
So more than just having earthy stuff around, it's
Tapping into that energy, yeah.
Yeah. Intentionally.
Tons of ways to do that. Walking barefoot,
Oh, I love that.
gardening, crystals, hematite, obsidian, those are good.
I've even heard just visualizing roots growing from your feet down into the earth.
That's a good one.
Powerful grounding.
Oh, yeah. Simple, but like you feel rooted, anchored, part of something bigger.
Maybe our listener can try that right now. If you're comfy, close your eyes a moment, few deep breaths, and picture those roots growing down deep into the earth.
Feel that connection, that stability, like being held.
Supported.
And as you breathe, picture any stress, tension, whatever's weighing you down, it flows down those roots.
Into the earth.
The earth absorbs it, transforms it into, I don't know, something good, grounding.
Okay, shifting gears now to air. That's more the mind, communication, creativity.
Yeah, the less tangible stuff.
But why? What's the link there?
Air, unlike earth, it's always moving. Fluid, adaptable, carries sound, scent.
Right.
So its energy's like that too. Lightness, freedom, inspiration.
I get that.
It's the element of ideas, communicating them, expanding what you even think is possible.
So earth grounds us, air lets us expand, but differently.
It's going beyond just the physical world.
Explains why feathers, incense, wind chime,
How about movement, lightness?
and sound, scent, carrying energy that way.
Exactly. So when we work with air, we tap into those sides of ourselves. Better communication, creativity sparks, thoughts get clearer.
It makes sense.
It's about intention, too.
Intention, yeah. You know, it's funny, we talk about grounding with earth, but isn't breath our air connection, most direct one?
Oh, totally. Breath work is huge GE for air energy. Controlling your breath, you can literally change your energy level, calm your mind.
Even your mood, I've heard.
There's so many techniques, each with its own effect. Alternate nostril breathing for balance, breath of fire for energy, focus.
Wow.
It's a whole world to explore. You really feel air's power that way.
Let's give our listener a little taste. Simple one. Again, eyes closed if you want. Few deep, slow breaths. Inhaling. Imagine you're drawing in clear, vibrant air energy. Fills your lungs, your awareness expands, that lightness, clarity comes in.
And exhaling. Anything stale goes out, worries, cloudy thoughts, whatever.
Yeah.
The air takes it away. You're left feeling refreshed, energized.
Okay, earth, air. Gotta say, there's something about fire that just grabs you.
Yeah, it's intense.
Captivating, transformative, honestly kind of scary too. What makes it so strong?
It's the element of passion, transforming things, willpower. It creates. And the destroys, burns away the old to make way for new.
Wow.
So its energy has that intensity too. Warmth, energy, the power to make things happen, what you want to happen.
I always think of fire as like action, not just thinking, feeling.
It's taking that spark and making it real.
Exactly.
Fire's behind all manifestation. It fuels your passions, gives you courage to take risks, helps you turn dreams into reality.
Explains the tools. Candles, matches, bonfires.
They're all about that transformation. A candle flame is your intention. Bonfires releasing what you don't need anymore.
And that phoenix rising from the ashes, right? Powerful image.
Destruction, but also rebirth, new beginnings.
So many ways to work with it. Candle magic, focusing on that flame.
If you're comfortable with fire, bonfires are great for releasing rituals. Write down what you want to let go of, burn it safely.
Safely, very important.
Visualize those things transforming.
But even without actual fire, you can still connect with it, right?
Oh, yeah. Visualize a flame in your heart. That's powerful. Ignites your passion, courage, willpower.
Or even something more active, like clapping your hands together hard to generate heat, energy.
Like a mini fire ritual. You can do that anywhere.
I like that. Let's do a fire visualization, quick one. Comfy position, eyes closed if you like, deep breaths. As you breathe in, imagine a warm flame in your heart, gentle, flickering, its warmth spreading through you, energy and light.
Each inhale, that flame gets brighter, stronger, more alive. Feel it igniting your passions, courage, willpower.
And breathing out any fear, doubt, whatever's holding you back, it's consumed by the flame, transformed into strength, positive energy.
Keep breathing, picturing that flame growing brighter and brighter, filling you with its transformative power. When you're ready, gently open your eyes.
Wow, powerful stuff. I feel energized, motivated, like I could do anything. Okay, earth, air, fire. Now water. That one seems different, more about emotions. Flow.
Yeah, it is.
How does it fit in with the rest?
Water's all about emotions, intuition, healing, going with the flow. It's adaptable, takes the shape of its container, unlike the others.
We say go with the flow, let it wash over you.
Exactly.
Like we instinctively know water helps us deal with tough emotions.
It teaches us to adapt, embrace change, trust our gut. It's the element for connecting with feelings, healing old hurts, finding peace within.
Explains why bowls of water, seashells, mirrors,
They're all fluid, reflective cleansing, just like water.
and the creatures that live in water, fish, dolphins.
They move so gracefully, embodying that water energy.
And the moon, especially with moon water.
Oh yeah, capturing that lunar energy for cleansing, healing, intuition. Baths are amazing for water energy too.
Add herbs, salts, oils.
Your own little healing ocean. So many ways to connect with it. Rituals, visualizations, just being near water.
I think even drinking water mindfully, focusing on it being pure, life-giving.
It's all about those little mindful moments. Let's try a water visualization. Find a comfortable spot. Close your eyes if you like. Deep breaths. Imagine being surrounded by cool, clear water. It flows over you, cleansing, purifying your energy.
Okay.
Any stress, tension, it melts away, carried off by the current. You feel calm, peaceful, in your mind, body, spirit.
I can almost feel it.
Imagine floating effortlessly, weightless, at peace. As you breathe, feel the intuitive wisdom of water flowing through you. Trust your gut, your inner knowing. Let your emotions guide you, ebb and flow. When you're ready, gently open your eyes.
Amazing. I feel so refreshed, centered, like a reset button.
Water is powerful that way.
So we've looked at each element, but they don't actually exist separately, do they?
Not at all.
They're all connected, working together to make the world what it is.
That's where the real magic is. Understanding how they interact, complement each other.
Perfect. That leads us right into part 2. We'll explore how to harmonize those elements in your practice. Stay tuned.
Can't wait.
Welcome back. It's mind-blowing, right? Earth, air, fire, water, not just elements, but energies we can actually work with.
Like a whole magical toolkit inspired by nature.
But you got to know how to use the tools individually, AAD together.
That's the key.
So how do we do that? Blend these separate elements into something harmonious, balanced,
One way is a multi-element altar.
multi-element.
Instead of just one element, you represent all four, like physically showing they're connected.
I like that. A little universe on your altar.
Yeah.
But what goes on? It seems like a lot to represent all at once.
Keep it simple. Everyday things that resonate with each element.
Like what?
Earth, maybe a bowl of salt, a crystal. Air, a feather, some incense.
Okay, I see.
Candle for fire, bowl of water for water. You get the idea.
So it's not about being fancy. It's about...
Things that mean something to you connect you to that energy.
Right.
And how you arrange them. Think about how the elements naturally flow.
Oh.
Earth's the foundation, so maybe bottom or center of the altar. Air goes upwards, so above or around Earth. Fire transforms, so prominent position. Water flows, so around the others.
Like you're telling a story with them visually, how we all fit together.
Exactly. And as you work with it, you might notice some elements feel stronger at times.
Louder.
Yeah. It's not about keeping them perfectly balanced all the time. It's about noticing the shifts, what they mean for you.
Like they're reflecting what's going on inside us, energetically.
Totally. Fire feels strong. Maybe you need to tap into your passion, take action. Water's up front. Time for introspection, emotional healing.
The altar is a tool for self-awareness and connecting with the elements.
2 for 1. And if one feels consistently quiet, less present.
Could mean you need to boost that element in yourself.
Exactly.
How do you do that?
Like say you need more grounding. You do more earthy things. Time in nature, barefoot walking, grounding crystals.
Hematite, obsidian, we talked about those. What about air? If someone's creatively blocked or can't communicate well,
Air's all about movement, clearing things out. Open windows, fresh air, diffuse some oils, peppermint, lemon.
those are good for focus too.
Right. Breath work, even just a walk, feeling the wind.
Sometimes a change of scenery helps.
Big time. Need energy, motivation, fire time. Light a candle. Visualize your goals. Get active. Get your blood flowing.
Even just lighting a candle changes the vibe of a room, doesn't it?
That's fire transforming energy. Feeling drained, out of touch with your intuition. Water's your friend. Long bath, Epsom salts, oils. Listen to rain or ocean sounds. Being near water helps.
I even find just drinking water, but like mindfully thinking about its purity.
It's about those little things done with intention. Even your workspace, bring in the elements. Plant for earth, feather, or wind chime for air.
Candle for inspiration, little bowl of water for intuition.
You're making an elemental sanctuary. Grounded, inspired, connected to nature, no matter what's going on outside.
I love that.
As you work with them, remember, approach with curiosity, respect, open heart. Don't try to force it, control them.
Let them guide you.
They're allies on your journey.
So, last part of our deep dive coming up. We'll talk about practical ways to use this elemental wisdom every day. Stick around. Last part of our elemental journey, we've covered so much, each element, blending them.
Now it's like, okay, what do I do with this?
How do we live this elemental wisdom every day?
It's funny, we look for magic in these big, dramatic ways,
Right.
but it's already here, all around, in plain sight.
You're just going to notice it.
Exactly. Pay attention to the elements as you go about your day. Like, feel the ground under your feet when you walk. That's earth, solid, present. Wind on your skin, air, always moving. Sun's warmth, or even your coffee, touch of fire. And water when you shower, drink. It's literally life-giving.
So mindfulness, but elemental.
That's a great way to put it. And once you're tuned in, you can use more intentionally. Say you're stressed out. Take a minute. Ground yourself. Go barefoot if you can. Feel the earth. Or just picture those roots going down from your feet, connecting you.
I like holding a grounding crystal. Hematite, black tourmaline, something like that.
Crystals are great for this. Each one's got its own energy that can really boost and direct the elements.
Now, what about when you're, I don't know, stuck creatively or just can't get your ideas across?
Airtime. Get things moving, clear out the cobwebs. Open windows, fresh air, maybe some nice essential oils, peppermint, lemon.
Those are good for focus too, right?
Totally. Breath work, even a walk, feeling the wind on your face.
Sometimes just a change of scenery does it.
For sure. Need a kick in the pants, some motivation? Fire it up, light a candle, picture yourself achieving your goals, get moving, literally.
It's amazing just lighting a candle, how it changes the whole feel of a room, like a signal to get things done.
That's fire transforming energy right there. Now, if you're feeling emotionally wiped out, intuition's off.
Uh-huh.
Water's what you need. Nice bath, Epsom salts, maybe some essential oils. Listen to rain sounds, ocean waves, or actually be near water if you can.
Even drinking water, but like really paying attention to how pure it is.
It all adds up. And think about your workspace too. Plant for earth, feather, or wind chime for air.
Candle for inspiration. Little bowl of water for that intuitive, emotional side.
Your own little elemental haven.
Mm.
Grounded, inspired, connected to nature, no matter what craziness is going on outside.
Love it.
Key thing is, approach it all with respect. Curiosity, open heart. Don't try to force the elements, control them.
They're here to help.
Exactly. Allies on your path.
So wrapping up our elemental deep dive, what's the one thing you want our listener to remember?
That you're already connected to this stuff. It's in you, around you, all the time. So explore that connection. Let it make your life richer.
So well said. Elemental magic is huge, always changing, always more to learn. Keep exploring, experimenting, deepening that relationship.
And most importantly, trust your gut. The elements speak to everyone differently, so listen to that inner voice. It'll guide you on your path.
Thanks so much for sharing all this. It's been amazing exploring this world with you.
My pleasure.
And to our listener, hope this inspires you to connect with the elements in your own way. Until next time, may the magic of earth, air, fire, and water be with you.